Welcome back, friends. In this video I'll show you how to reduce the size of the video recorded video of your laptops or PC screen without losing the resolution or bitrate of your video format. It will be helpful for the YouTubers or any of the professionals, those who are recording their PC screens and facing problem with large size recordings. So use this trick to reduce or solve their problem. So I'll show you a demo on this mp4 file using this software called Handbrake. To download this software, open any of your browsers and search for Handbrake download. It will list out so many websites. Click on the first link. This is the official site of Handbrake tool. It is available for the most popular platforms: macOS, Windows and Linux. I'm choosing Windows as I have a Windows machine. You can choose according to your machine. Now click on the save button and hit OK. It will download the file in zip format. The installation process is like other softwares. Now open that software. There are two options for batch scan. You can choose a folder at your time or a file one by one. I'm choosing the second one as I have a single file. After opening that file, let me show you the properties of the file which I am using it. You can see here the file size is 93.6 megabytes. I'll reduce it using this tool. So from the open source option, you can choose your file. After choosing the file, give it a name which will saved as the output file. Now you can crop the image file from top, left, right and button, or you can left it as automatic. Now click on the web optimized form so that it will not lose any of your qualities. On the right side window there are so many options. You can choose according to your requirement and then hit enter. It will start the encoded process. Now you can see here there are two files over here. This is a compressed file. Now let me show you the properties of both the files. You can compare that clearly visible. It's negligible amount of size as compared to the previous one. You can see the details also. You can see the resolution is not decreased, only some bit rates are reduced, which will not affect for normal use. So using this trick you can solve your problem. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.